Airbronchogram. So, an airbronchogram is a tubular lucent structure. It's a bronchus that you see um, in profile or with the surrounding lung. And in a normal patient, you can't really see the bronchi that well. Notice in this patient with atelectasis on the right that we don't really see the bronchi. But in this patient, we see the bronchi, and that's because the lung surrounding the bronchus is abnormal. It either has consolidation around it or the lung is collapsed. Okay, and usually when you see an air bronchogram, that's a sign of abnormality. Okay, and then atelectasis. Atelectasis is collapse of air spaces, and it encompasses mild subsegmental atelectasis to whole lung. Okay, so you see these like little linear opacities down here. These are atelectasis, and this is what I would call subsegmental atelectasis. They're just little lines where the alveoli have deflated and there's no air in them. Okay. And so this is, I would say, minimal atelectasis, but a patient can also have pretty significant atelectasis. So in this patient, there's this triangular opacity behind the heart right here. And that is the entire left lower lobe. Okay, so this person's entire left lower lobe has become atelectatic or it's collapsed. Okay, and you can also have a whole lung that's collapsed or atelectatic too. Okay, so if you are a radiologist and you're using that term atelectasis, then it's important to say how much atelectasis. Is it minimal? Is it a lobe? Is it a whole lung, etc.?